What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, make it turn gray, hit that big thumbs up for us. All right, so this video is all about Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a online rewards program very similar to Inbox Dollars. I did a review on Inbox Dollars. I'll put that in the description below. So Swagbucks is actually ranked pretty high for the online rewards club community. It is an American-based company and it's legit. So full disclaimer, this isn't going to make you super rich or pay all your bills, but it's something you can do to earn a little side cash for things that you're already probably doing. So Swagbucks provides you an opportunity to earn some money doing a lot of different things, such as doing some surveys, shopping online, participating in some offers, playing some games. So for this particular website, you can access it on your phone or on the computer. So this video is going to be a Swagbucks tutorial to see if it's right for you. All right, you ready to get started? So before we begin, we're going to check out where Swagbucks ranks among reward programs and survey programs. So this is just a regular article, collegeinsider.com. These are some other survey sites. So as you can see, Swagbucks is ranked #1 for reward sites. All right, so what does it say? It's a site that rewards you for doing various online tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, using the search engine. When using the search engine, you get reward points after several searches using an amount from 10 to 15 Swagbucks, which is cents. You can start cashing out and rewards at 500 Swagbucks, which is $5 cash. And you also get a $5 bonus for signing up. Another website has Swagbucks as #2 on their list of cash back reward websites. All right, so this was posted by the Swagbucks website. This is a little article with some frequently asked questions, so you can see, it gives an explanation as to what it is. And basically, the rewards program, once you acquire a certain amount of Swagbucks, you can get gift cards or PayPal payments. I'll show you that in a little bit. So is it legit? Yes, it's legit. It's an American company, and I've used it and gotten paid through it. It's just a matter of putting in the work. It's not a scam. So these are some of the features of Swagbucks. Taking surveys is a big one. You can scan receipts. So if you go to the store, you buy something, snap it, you get some points for that. You can actually sign up for products and get paid incentives for that. And shopping. Shopping is another big way to earn money. If you're going to shop anyways, check this out and maybe you can earn some percentage back. You can also play games and watch videos. So these are all the ways that you can make money and earn some Swagbucks. All right, so signing up for Swagbucks. All right, so when you reach swagbucks.com, you're going to sign in, you're going to put an email, you're going to create a password, then you're going to have to verify your email. You can also sign up via Facebook. Here's a little promo video of Swagbucks.
Welcome to Swagbucks, the fun rewards program that gives you free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you do online. You can put cash back in your wallet. Earn points when you shop at your favorite retailers, watch entertaining videos, search the web, answer surveys, and find great deals. Redeem points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Target and Walmart, or get cash back from PayPal. Once you join, it's easy to earn points for all the everyday things you do online. Swagbucks has already given back over $175 million in cash and free gift cards to its millions of happy members. See what a few have to say. Join today for free. Swagbucks. Put cash back in your wallet.
All right, so nice little promo. So because I'm already a member, I'm going to log in. Okay, so once you sign in, this is going to be your homepage. So you have this menu that kind of shows your surveys at the top, and it tells you how many Swagbucks you're going to earn and approximately how long the survey is going to be if you're actually approved to take the survey. Every 100 Swagbucks is $1. So this is $22.81 worth of Swagbucks, just so you're aware. So this survey right here would be $2 in Swagbucks. This would be 19 cents. This would be 53 cents for this survey. So if you qualify for the surveys, they can add up. This is one method of earning a little side cash. Yeah, as stated previously, this isn't going to make you rich, but it's certainly a fun thing you can do if you're just hanging out, browsing the internet, or bored on your phone. This is something you can do and make a little extra cash. Maybe save it for vacation or put it in the stock market or something like that. Maybe go out to dinner, gift cards, etc. So you can access the surveys two ways. You can click here, click on the surveys that it shows, or if you want to see more, you click on the answer tab. All right, so these are all the surveys I can potentially qualify for. So it does not mean that I'm going to get the Swagbucks. I could be disqualified if the system doesn't like my answers. So these are all the surveys that are offered at the moment, and they come and go constantly. But as you can see, some of them offer, a pretty good reward. It does take about 30 minutes of your time, but you can get $2 for that. And, you can see there's a couple different bigger surveys and some smaller ones. This is definitely a way to earn money. So if you want to submit your receipts, you can submit and take pictures of your receipts and just earn simply 2 cents just for doing that. And you've already spent the money anyways. All right, we go back out here to the home page again. Let's take a look at the shopping opportunities. So this is the shopping homepage, and as you can see, a lot of major retailers give you cash back for different purchases. So 4% back is not bad. If you're going to shop at Home Depot anyways, might as well get a little something back for Swagbucks. So here's some reviews on people who've actually purchased and received their rewards from Swagbucks. So it's pretty legit, and it's pretty upfront in terms of, how things work and whether it's legit or not. So, here's some other retailers. You can get, good amount back. So take a look at, these shopping websites and figure out how much you can make back. So Lowe's, Home Depot, let's see what else. It's a great way to earn a little bit back in Swagbucks. I mean, you're going to shop anyways, so take a look at, some of these other retailers, Walgreens, CVS, get your home improvements, Kohl's, Disney Plus is a big thing, big promotion right now. You can get $10 for signing up for that. So pretty much every kind of shopping retailer you can think of, has some sort of perk to Swagbucks. Let's go back to the home page. All right, so this is the Discover section, which is basically featured offers. Similar to the shopping, you can earn some significant Swagbucks. You have to read the small fine print on all these to determine whether it's right for you. But as you can see here, these are like offers, and if you fulfill the expectation, you can get rewarded these incentives. So another easy way to earn money with Swagbucks is to watch some videos. So you can choose different videos that you want, or you can just go in order. It is a little tedious though. So this is for people who are really hardcore with it. All right, so this is what happens when you click on one of the videos. You click and you have to watch the 30 or 40 second of the actual advertisement or video. So you have to watch 30 of them and hit this button 30 times. So it is a little tedious, and it's probably more for the hardcore people on Swagbucks, but it's easy if you're just sitting around and just click it every so often, and you can earn some additional points with that. So here we go, and then it uploads the next page and the next advertisement and the next video. So it's another Yahoo one. So you can play around with the watch video feature if you're more into that. Yeah, so there's a lot of different content you could watch. Again, this is a very tedious kind of thing. You have to put your work in, but it can add up over time. So the Swagbucks search engine is very similar to a Google or a Bing, but as you do them, you can earn potential Swagbucks. So if you're going to search for things, you might as well do this. So look up Major League Baseball season starting. Let's see what comes up. All right, so I got 4 cents for that search, and the more you do, the more you can potentially get additional Swagbucks. And they update right away for the most part, so you just refresh and you'll see your Swagbucks account growing. All right, returning to the home page. So one of the last main menu features is the game area. All right, so this is the Swagbucks Play, and you can participate in all of these different games and earn, different Swagbucks. So you want to play around with these, and again, read the fine print. So let's check out Wheel of Fortune. Now the thing with the games is some of them you have to pay to actually play, and you can earn money back from playing. So if you were going to buy these particular games, well, then you'd probably want to do this. But if you're not looking to spend money on games, then you probably would want to avoid the play section. But there are some free ones, so you want to check out down here, and you can earn, up to 10 Swagbucks, which is 10 cents for the different games, if that's something you're into. Another cool feature of Swagbucks is it has everything documented. So all of your activities here, it tells you what you did and how much you've made over here. You can also do referrals and get a certain percentage of users that you refer and they sign up with your code. All right, so now we're going to look at the Swagbucks rewards. As you can see, there's a lot of different gift cards. Pretty much every retailer you can think of. You got restaurant cards, Visa cards, Amazon. But if you're looking for just cash, then you can do PayPal. So PayPal has a couple different increments. So you can do a $5 cash out, you can do the $10 cash out, and you can do a $25 cash out. Let's see if they have a $20 cash out. They have a $50 cash out, $100. I don't see a 20, but 5, 10, 15, you get 25, 50, and 100. It does the job. But once you cash out with PayPal, in a couple days, you'll have it right in your account and you'll receive an email when it's all cleared. Also in the rewards section, you can filter different rewards depending on what you're looking for. Here's some different value things. Let's say you don't have that much in your Swagbucks account. Simply click the lower end ones. And you still have all the main retailers. You got PayPal up here if you want cash. Let's say you're a little short. Like right now I have, $2,285, $22.85, and I want, a $25 item. You can buy Swagbucks. So it'll cost you just a couple extra bucks and you can get the $25 gift card. At the bottom, you have all sorts of other information if you need it. Another feature that Swagbucks does to separate itself from others is there's to-do lists, and if you complete all of the activities, you can earn extra rewards and incentives. Another little feature is the inbox, and as you can see, they send all different offers, and you can complete the offers, click on different things, and you can earn Swagbucks that way. So a lot of different ways to earn Swagbucks. So everything kind of adds up. It really depends on who you are and what you're trying to do with Swagbucks. You can make a little bit extra side cash. You can make a couple bucks a day. Some people probably make a little bit more. Some people make a little less. It depends on what you're doing and how motivated you are. But the main ways you're going to make money on Swagbucks is through the shopping, the discovery offers, and the surveys. And those could add up a little bit. So again, Swagbucks is something that you can do if you're bored sitting around on your phone or your computer and you want to make a little extra side cash, a little fun money, some spending money. That's something you can entertain. There's a couple other different websites out there. All right, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, leave us a comment, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.